have hooded eyes and want your eyeshadow to look like this, or this, trust me, I understand the struggle. So I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple eyeshadow look for hooded eyes. First thing I'm going to do is to conceal my eyes. And I'm just going to use a beauty blender to blend that out. So with hooded eyes, the most important thing is to make sure you blend the eyeshadow over your crease, because if you blend the eyeshadow in your crease and you look up, you're not going to see the makeup, and I'm going to be demonstrating that for you guys. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of brown eyeshadow and I'm just going to be blending that in my crease. So like when I look up, you can't really see that eyeshadow. So I'm just going to make sure that I blend it above my crease. And when doing this step, you want to make sure that you have your eye open. And then all you have to do is just blend in the eyeshadow. So the secret into having like a flawless eyeshadow is to make sure that you blend, and blend. So this is how it looks so far. So when I close my eye, you can still see the shadow. So that's what you're going for. So I'm just using this darker shade of brown to deepen the eyeshadow. And I'm just going to put it on the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm just going to be taking a little bit of concealer and I'm just going to clean the inner corner of my eye up because I want to put a shimmer shade to brighten up the look. So this shimmery shade, I'm just going to put on the inner corner of my eye. And the same thing is that you just want to make sure that you're putting this above the crease, because anything below the crease will not show when you open your eye. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. As you can see, I have a lot of the eyeshadow above my crease, and that is the goal when you want to achieve eyeshadow for hooded eyes. You want to make sure that you put the eyeshadow above your crease. If not, when you look up, you're not going to be able to see the eyeshadow because everything is going to be sunken in your crease. So to give this look a little bit more detail, I'm just going to be putting a little bit more of the dark brown that I use on my waterline. Okay, so this is the finished look. I just added lashes and a black liner. You don't have to add lashes, but the lashes just give this look a just more sophisticated look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.